Are you the one who works wholeheartedly, passionately, and your patients are always appreciating your hard work, the way you are handling them? But you're working at someone's clinic, hospital, getting just 10% benefit of what your bosses are making, and you feel that you deserve more, you deserve better. Then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, this is me Physioprem Shah, founder of Physiotrends, having my own online platforms as well as application on Android and iOS, providing services for patients as well as students at affordable prices. Now guys, story of all of us as young physios are almost same. We always have that mindset of being safe. We always think that we should get some fixed amount every month. But we forget one thing, that no salaried person has ever become millionaire. In this video, my intentions are just to give you a small reality check about understanding how things works and how we can make things work better, smarter, rather than just complaining about the current situations. First thing first, stop being too much comfortable in the situation you are and start working on your mindset. Because your mindset of being too much safe and journey from there to taking calculated risk is very much important. Unless and until your mind is thinking to take risk and work harder or to do something new, you will never be able to come out of the current situation in which you are. Next thing guys, have a plan and start working 100% dedicatedly towards it. Do you all know 90% of people fail because they are not dedicated completely or they are not consistent. So if you are among those 10% who are consistently doing small efforts but just stick to it, definitely you will be successful. Another important not to forget about this is to love what you do. Basically, whatever you are planning, you have to make sure that you're loving it. You are really interested to do it. The reason behind that is, let me tell you an example, that you are not loving to treat patient, especially door to door, like when you're doing home visit. But you are just doing it because you want to earn more and more money. Ultimately, what is going to happen? You are going to get frustrated, or you will not be giving justice to your home visits when you are doing it. Rather than that, if you like, let's say for example, you are more into networking, meeting new people, or talking with different people and then connecting with them somebody else. So basically you can utilize this power or this skill in this particular segment of home to home visit. Like you can recruit other physios to work for you, and out of that you can create a business. So basically what I'm trying to do is, let's just figure out that what you love to do and that you transfer it to the physiotherapy skills or your planning or your business planning. You all know that there are lakhs of physios who are job seekers but very few who are job givers. And also there is a fact that the job givers are earning more in compared to the job seekers. So you got to decide what you want to become. You want to become job seeker or job giver. Now my last advice for you all to become a young successful physiotherapist is never depend on anyone. Let's say that you are starting your own plan, you have dedication towards it, you love what you do, but then ultimately you are depending on someone to do that work, or you are depending on someone to work it out. That will never work out, because unless and until you work on it without depending on someone, you cannot be successful. Let me give you an example that, let's say when you are doing your own startup, you have to learn financing skills, you have to learn communicating skills, you have to learn networking skills, you have to be good at what you are doing. Unless and until you just try it on yourself, unless and until you are working on yourself, it cannot be always successful. Because if you are depending on someone, if that someone is leaving you a part of, or if that someone is not 100% dedicated as you are, your plan will not work. So remember guys, that everyone starts from zero. It always depends on you, that where you want to reach and where you want to finish. So I wish you all a very good luck and all the best for doing what you love and being a successful young physios in India or anywhere you go.